Okay, good day. This is Victor here in Victor's Digital Vision. Welcome to my channel. This is where we teach blind and screen reader users how to use a computer, how to use things like Excel, and how to code. So we're continuing our series on learning Excel, and today we're going to talk about formulas. In the last video, we talked about moving the worksheet and copying the worksheet using some keystrokes on the keyboard. Excel is really, really good with using the keyboard. So what we're going to do is we're going to launch Excel. So you hit the Windows key, which is keys to the left of your spacebar.
Search window. E.
Type in
E.
Excel.
L. Excel. App. Excel. Excel.
So Excel has been launched. Now we're going to open a new worksheet, Control N.
Sheet 1 table. A 1.
So it says sheet one table A1. Okay, so we're on sheet one table. And formulas are very, very powerful in Excel. Remember, I told you there were four types of data. You have the date data, the text data, the numbers data, and formulas. And we're going to go straight up into using formulas. So what are we going to do? We're going to
A 2.
do,
A 3.
let's
A 2.
go,
A 1.
let's call this sheet
Edit F. O.
formulas.
R. M. U. L. A. S.
Okay,
Sheet 1 table. A 2. Formulas A1.
so formulas is in
A 2.
A1.
A 3.
Now we're going to do addition. Uh,
Edit A.
addition.
T-I-T-I-O-N. Sheet 1 table. Addition A3.
Addition is in A3.
B3.
Now we're on B3. I'm going to pause here for a bit because what we're going to do here is we're going to now have a formula for doing an addition. Anytime you want to put a formula in Excel, you have to start with the equal sign.
Edit equals.
Then you now put the number, let's say
4.
4
4. Plus.
plus
3.
3. Did you see that? 4 plus 3.
Sheet 1 table. B4.
I've pressed enter, so I'm on B4. If I go back to B3,
7 has formula B3.
so you can hear that it says 7 has formula B3. So if we want to edit the formula, we press F2, similar to what we did in the last, I think in um, part 2 or part 3.
Edit equals 4 plus 3.
So you can see edit equals 4 plus 3.
Blank. 3.
3.
Plus 4. Equals.
So equals, I'm beginning, equals
4.
4
Plus 3.
plus 3.
Blank.
Blank, that's at the end of 3.
Sheet 1 table.
I press enter.
7 has formula B3.
So you can hear that formula 7.
B4. 7 has formula B3.
Sorry, 7 has formula V3.
B4. A 4.
So now I'm on A4,
Edit S.
subtraction.
T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Sheet 1 table.
We're
B4.
going to do
Edit
equals
equals. 4.
4
4.
minus
Dash 3.
3.
Sheet 1 table. 1 has formula B4.
1 has formula B4.
B5. A 5.
Then we're going to have multiplication.
Edit U-L-T-I-P-L-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. Sheet 1 table. Multiplication overflowing A5.
Multiplication.
B5.
And we're going to say
Edit
equals
equals. 4.
4. Now for multiplication in Excel is the star, which is asterisk, which is just above the 8. So you're going to have shift and 8,
4. Star.
star,
3.
3. So you can see I have
Sheet 1 table. Multiplication cropped A5. 12 has formula B5.
12 has formula.
Multiplication cropped A5.
Multiplication, right?
12 has formula B5.
12 has formula, right?
B6. A 6.
Now I'm going to say division.
Edit D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Sheet 1 table.
I'll
B6.
say
Edit
equals
equals. 4.
4
4.
divided by, which is a slash, which is just by your right shift key, the slash, forward slash,
3.
3.
Sheet 1 table. 1.333333 has formula B6.
So you can see as a decimal place 1.33333.
Division A6.
So
A7.
Excel also has exponential.
Edit E-X. P-O-N-E-N-T-I-A-L. Sheet 1 table.
That's raised to the power. So you can have equals.
Edit equals. 5.
Oops, not 5.
4.
4 Raised to the power is a caret symbol, which is 6, shifting 6.
4. Caret.
See, it says caret
3.
3. So that's what that means is that's 4 times 4 times 4. So that should be 64, right?
Sheet 1 table. B8. 64 has formula B7.
Yeah, 64 has formula. So these are how you can use formulas in Excel, right? Um, Also, Excel, what we can
1,
do,
12. 1 has formula B4. 7 has formula B3. Addition A3.
addition. So we can make this a row. Remember, we're making this a row header. So we'll have Shift, your NVDA key, and R.
Set A3 as start of row headers.
So set A3 is start of row headers.
Subtraction cropped A4. Addition A3.
Subtraction.
7 has formula B3.
7.
1 has formula B4 subtraction.
See, it has 1. That's
12
subtraction.
has formula B5 multiplication.
Multiplication for 12.
1.333333 has formula B6 division.
Division.
64 has formula B7 exponential.
Exponential. Okay. So now we have that. So this is sheet 1.
B8.
We're going to also do something here.
A8.
We can leave some space, a gap on the same
A
sheet.
9. A 10.
Let's start on A10. And we're going to, let's say,
Edit E, F, E, R, E, N, C, E, S.
references. So one powerful thing about Excel is that you can actually reference the sheet, the cells on the sheet. So
Sheet 1 table.
I can go
A11.
addition
Edit
here,
E, I, T, I, O, N. Sheet 1 table. Addition A11.
addition A11.
B11.
So on B11 is blank. But now, what do I want to go? I want to go back to B7,
B,
I think it was
B9.
B3.
B6, 1.3, 12. 1 has formula B. 7 has formula B3 addition.
B3 addition, yeah. So that's why I want to go to B3. So we're going to do B3
1 has formula B4 subtraction.
plus B4. So we're going to
6,
do this
B8.
again, but we're
B9.
going to,
B10 references. B11 addition. Addition A11. B11.
okay, so we're going to say equals
Edit equals. B. Text 1 of 24. 3.
B3
B3.
plus
B. Text 1 of 24. 4.
B4.
Sheet 1 table. 8 has formula B11 addition. B12. 8 has formula B11 addition.
So you can see 8 has formula, right?
B12. A 12. Addition A11. A 12. Edit
Now
S.
I'm going to
T.
A12
B. T. R. A. C. T. I. O. N. Sheet 1
subtraction. We're
table.
going to do the same thing.
B12. Edit B. 3.
B3
3.
minus
B. 4.
B4.
Sheet 1 table. Subtraction cropped A12.
Oops.
B3 B4 B12. 8 has formula B11 addition. B3 B4 B12 subtraction. Subtraction cropped A12. B3 B4 B12.
Uh-oh, I made a mistake here. So
Edit equals B. Text 1 of 24. 3.
B3 equals B3
B3 dash B. Text 1 of
B4.
24. 4. Sheet 1 table. 6 has formula B12
Uh-huh.
subtraction. B13. 6 has formula B12 subtraction.
Uh-huh. That's better. So it's 6.
Subtraction a 13.
Then we have
Edit
multiplication.
L T I P L I C A T I O N. Sheet 1 table. B13.
So on B13, we're going to have
Edit
equals
equals B. Text 1 of 24. 3.
B3 multiply. Remember, it's shifting 8, which is the asterisk.
B3. Star.
So instead of doing B4, well, let me just do B4.
B. Text 1 of 24. 4. Sheet 1 table. 7 has formula B13 multiplication.
So that's multiplication.
B14. A 14. Edit
Division
I B I S I O N. Sheet 1 table.
equals
Edit equals B. Text 1 of 24. 3.
B3. Let me do um multiplied
B3. B. Text 1
B5.
5. Sheet 1 table. 84 has formula B14 division.
Yeah. So remember, B5 is our multiplication, which is 4 times 3, which is 12. 12 times 7 is 84. So that's correct.
B15. A 15. Division A14. A 15. Division A14. Multiplication cropped A13. 7 has formula B13. 84 has formula B14 division.
Uh-oh. I made a mistake here. I did a multiplication. So let me do
Edit equals.
equals. Sorry. Let me not edit.
Sheet
Let
1
me
table.
press the escape
7.
bar.
84 has formula B14 division.
So I'll do F2.
Edit equals B3 star B5.
Press the home key to
Equals.
go to the beginning.
Cap. B. 3. Star.
So it's not meant to be
Caps.
star. I'll
J.
backspace.
Star.
Put
Slash.
slashes.
Sheet 1 tape 0.583333
So
has formula
so
B14 division.
0.583. All right.
B15. A 15. Division A14. Multiplication cropped A division A 15.
Okay. So now there's some. If you remember in primary school,
A 16. A 17.
elementary school. So I'm going to
A 16. A 17.
on A17. I'm going to put BODMAS.
Edit B.
B
Cap.
O
Cap.
D
Cap.
M
Cap.
A
Cap.
S.
S.
So bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction.
Sheet 1 table. A18.
So um, I'll say without,
W. I. T. A. O. U. G. G.
oops,
T. T. A.
without
N. C. K.
brackets.
E. T. S. Sheet 1 table. Without brackets overflowing A18. B18. C18. B18.
So on B18, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say equals
Edit equals 5.
5 plus
5. Plus 3.
3
3. Star.
star
2.
2. So you can pause the video and see, okay, what is the answer? 5 plus 3 times 2, right? And you may say the answer is 5 plus 3, which is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. That is wrong. That is actually wrong. What BODMAS does is that is going to do 3 times 2 first, which is 6, and then add the 5, which is 11. So the
Sheet
answer
1
is
table.
11.
11 has formula B18 without brackets. B9. 11 has formula B18 without brackets. B19. 11 has formula B18 without brackets.
So you can see it says 11 has formula B18, and then it says the row, which is without
B9.
brackets.
A 19.
So if I
And
say
it's selected
with
data. I.
brackets here,
T. B. R. A. C. K. E. T. S.
with
Sheet
brackets,
1 table.
I now
B19.
put
Edit equals
equals. Then I now put
left paren.
left paren
5.
5
5. Plus
plus
3.
3,
3. Right paren.
right paren, and
Star.
multiply by 2,
2. Sheet 1 table. 16 has formula B19
which is
with
the
brackets.
16 we would have gotten in the first place. So this is how formulas work. We've spoken about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponential. We've also talked about cell references, how you can actually, add cells together with their reference number, B1, B2, or A1, A3. And then we talked about board mass, right? We'll talk more about formulas in the next video. I just wanted it to be nice and sweet, nice and short, so that you can be carried along with the videos without being overwhelmed. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.